Welcome back to Session 17 of GED Geometry Review. The coordinate plane turns points on a grid into lengths and relationships you can calculate. Once you can read a point, the rest follows. Every point is written as an ordered pair, x, y. The x-coordinate always comes first and moves you left or right. The y-coordinate comes second and moves you up or down. Let's read a point. To plot 4, -2. Start at the origin, go right 4 along the x-axis, then down 2 along the y-axis. That lands you in the fourth quadrant. Distances on a grid come from the coordinates. From 1, 2 to 5, 2, only the x changes, from 1 to 5, so the horizontal distance is 4. A change in x is a horizontal distance. Vertical distance works the same way with y. If only the y-coordinate changes, subtract the y values to get the distance straight up or down. Horizontal uses x, vertical uses y. The classic mistake is reversing the coordinates. The point 3, 5 is not the same as 5, 3. X always comes first. Keep that order, and you avoid plotting in the wrong place. Quick check. In the point 4, -2, what is the x-coordinate? The first number is always x, so the x-coordinate is 4. To recap, points are written x then y. X moves left and right, y moves up and down. Horizontal distance is a change in x. Vertical distance is a change in y. Order matters. Nice work. Plot a few points on your own, and I'll see you in the next session.